Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is really two things, and so we're going to do them separately. First, there's reaction types, and then there's balancing. This will be the reaction types video. All right, so there's basically six types of reactions, and so we're going to take them one at a time. The first reaction that we have here, we've got copper by itself on one place and together with nitrate in another. We've got silver with nitrate in one place and by itself with another. That is the definition of single replacement. In single replacement, you have something that starts out by itself and then ends up bonded to something else. That is the copper. So this is single replacement. Next, you have water all by itself on one side, and then it breaks into two separate things on the other side. That is the definition of decomposition. Next, you have sodium together with chlorine on one side with hydroxide on the other. Then you have iron with hydroxide on one side with chlorine on the other. And so basically what's happened is the sodium and the iron have switched partners. Sodium goes to the hydroxide, iron goes to the chlorine. That is, again, the definition of double replacement. A ends up with Y, B ends up with X. So there you are, that's your double replacement. The next one, you have a carbon-containing compound reacting with oxygen to make carbon dioxide. That is a combustion. Any reaction with oxygen to make carbon dioxide, there's your carbon, there's your oxygen, there's your carbon dioxide. That is a combustion. We're going to skip to the last one for the moment. This is where you have two things going together to make one. That is a synthesis. Two things going together to make one. A synthesis, S. All right. The final one is an acid-base reaction. Okay, we'll look at the template for it in just a bit, but you've always got an acid-base reaction. You have something with a hydrogen, that's my acid. Then you normally have something with a hydroxide, and that's my base. And then these things are going to go together to make water, and that's really the key. So this is an acid-base reaction. All right, so again, you've got your acid with the hydrogen, you've got your base with the hydroxide, and it's going together to make water, acid-base reaction.